So this is the pound dollar analysis for Tuesday the 16th of January. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices. So we saw this initial move up from last week on the 15th here. We had a brief consolidation before we did see the bullish buy side momentum come back into the market, as pretty much outlined by this very large candle. We've had a brief pullback. We've had a further upside continuation. We're having a bit of a pullback now, pretty much since this move from the positive reaction to the 400 period moving average here. We even had a meaningful pullback. We've had periods of consolidation, like here, for example, and here also, but we've not had a pullback continuation in this market. So we are in a bit of a consolidation at the moment. So we are looking to test the 38.35, from which we might see some selling reaction. We might see prices retrace from there before possibly retest from a breakdown from 38.35. We're possibly looking for prices. We'll be aware of the 138 level, but 37.50 or so, and from which we'll be looking for potential buy side momentum to re-enter this market. If, however, we do break down from where we are, again, we're looking for 37.50. In around 37.50, we had this period of consolidation, which is an area where we would like to see buyers and sellers battle it out. So we might find support down there if we do see a retracement from there. If we do break down from that 37.50 level, the very next level that we are looking at is in around 36.57. The highs of 2017 may provide support for buy side momentum if we do see a breakdown in prices. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 36.57, but again, another period in 2017 which provided some resistance was in around that 136 level. It's quite a bit away. I wouldn't expect it to come into focus unless there is quite a bit of market volatility. Now, let's just have a look beyond 38.35. So if we head up towards 138.35 and we were to see, it's really distorted the charts. Let's just, oh my, what have I done there? So beyond 38.35, the very next level, the level above which we are looking at is in around the 140.05. So we have to be aware of 140, but 140.05 is the very next level that we are looking at beyond the 138.35. If we are able to successfully break and hold above that level, 140.05 is the next level that we are looking at on the pound dollar. Now, while I move up from 138.35 up to 140 does seems pretty sizable in some sense. It does seem sizable, but we'll just keep a close eye on how prices react in around the 139 and 139.50 level. So we'll see how price react around 139, 139.50. But ultimately, if we do break above this 138.35 and we do hold, we are looking for price to head towards our 140.05 on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, we've pretty much identified levels to the upside. We're looking to see our price reacting around this 38.35. If we do break and hold it, we're looking to see our price reacting around the 139, 139.50 before we look at a significant level, which would come into focus in around that 140 level, in around 140.05. Again, we've possibly seen sell side momentum come back into the market for a retest of the 139 and possibly all the way down to this 138.35. But it is quite a bit away, so we'll see how prices develop from where we are. At present, we do seem quite bullish. We haven't had a meaningful pullback as of yet, but we'll see how price develops. But overall, it does seem like we are poised for more upside momentum on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that should pretty much cover the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.